So, some of you think money is overrated, or it's the root of all evil. Some of you think it's impossible to get a lot of it, or maybe you're scared of money. More money, more problems. But regardless, we live in a world where you have to think about it, you have to care about it, you have to learn about your money, at least a little bit, and that's why I'm here. 5 minutes of finance tips. This is a 5-minute video on why learning about money is important. So, unfortunately, you won't become a millionaire or financially free today, but in this video, it's about changing your mindset and your outlook on money. We'll work on making money for you in other videos before this gets too complicated. Part 1. But why is money like this? Why is it so difficult to understand? The issue is no one really ever taught us about money at school, and as soon as you turn 18, sometimes it's even younger than that, you suddenly have bills to pay, places you want to visit, things you want to buy. When your first paycheck comes and it's burning a hole in your pocket, you want to buy a latte, go to brunch with your friends and buy a house or buy a car, find the love of your life and get married, travel, live life and have fun to your heart's content. And I get it, who doesn't want the latest things, iPhones and a brand new wardrobe? But how can we get it without going into debt, and how can we get it without stressing over money? One of my favorite quotables from the Rich Dad Poor Dad is, how can I afford that? We've all heard about savings, investing, stocks, ETFs, bonds, property, debt, assets, liabilities, and a million other confusing words. Unfortunately, most of us don't know what these words mean. They shouldn't be difficult to understand. We should know about them and how they apply to our lives. Well, unfortunately, without understanding the basics, you'll never have the complete power over your own life. One of the best ways to lose that power is to make bad money decisions. Learning about money can help you make better financial decisions about when to borrow, when to spend, what to do with all that money that's burning a hole in your pocket. Another reason to learn about money is that you can reduce the amount of stress in your life while adding more time to your life when you finally master money. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to live forever, but you sure can live a more fulfilling life doing what you want to do, and it'll seem like you have a lot more time to choose what you want to choose. With enough money, for you anyway, you choose when to work, where to work, you choose the quality of your own life. If you want to have the flashiest lifestyle, then go ahead. If you want a basic lifestyle, then go ahead as well. The best thing is that no one can tell you otherwise. Mark Zuckerberg wears jeans and a grey top on a daily basis like a robot, while other celebrities wear fashion brands I won't even try to pronounce. Mark said, I really want to clear my life to make it so that I have to make as few decisions as possible about anything except how to best serve my community. So if you want to serve your community, make your life simpler, and one of the best ways to do that is to have enough money to simplify your life. So on top of it all, money isn't evil, money isn't the be-all and the end-all. Individually, we all need to figure out what money means to each of us and how we can best utilize it to the best of our abilities. Hopefully now you know that learning about money can help to reduce your stress, give you more time and flexibility in life, aid you in achieving and buying what's required, and generally help you to make the right financial decisions. You can find 5-minute videos on this channel to help you realize all of your monetary goals and dreams, and you won't even have to buy anything. I believe in free education. If you like what you heard, I'll be grateful if you could please leave a like and a subscribe and a comment in the comment section. I'll see you next time.